Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Wi-Fi password on iPhone in iOS 26 step by step. So this is super useful if you forgot the password and you want to share it with someone quickly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open the settings on your iPhone. You are going to see your settings just like so. Now here, you need to look for the option of Wi-Fi. When you are able to find it, you need to simply tap on it. Just make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network that you want the password for. Now, once you are inside your Wi-Fi, it is turned on and it is going to look something like this. Now, over here, you need to tap on the eye icon right next to that connected Wi-Fi network. So this is going to open the network information page. Now on the screen, you are going to see the password option. Now, when you tap on this password option, it is going to ask you for the verification. So it may verify your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your iPhone passcode. So once you have verified it, the password will be shown over here on the screen, just like this. So you can copy it by tapping on the password, or you can share it with someone by tapping it or pasting it in the chat. So if you don't see the password option, you can just simply update your iOS to the latest version. You can also restart your iPhone and make sure that you are signed into iCloud. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.